Hello there, my name's Ed Sanders. This is Building Stuff with Ed. Today, I'm going to be showing you how to make your very own mobile swimming pool with nothing but a pickup truck and a tarp. And that's Dipper. We call him Woody because he sniffs wood varnish. First thing we're going to do is we're going to go down to the men's grocery store.
Nope. No Dipper.
Wood varnish. Two chains.
Nope. No Dipper. Hey Dipper, I found you a product.
Always get the most expensive model because you're a hard-working capitalist and you deserve the best. This is the most expensive one. I'm getting the most expensive one. First thing you need is a pickup truck, the one you already have since you are an actual heterosexual American male. Second thing you'll need is a tarp, which we purchased from the Manly grocery store. And the third thing and final thing you are going to need is a roll of duct tape made out of real ducks. Now, in my experience, most forms of water will work, generally. Now that we've got all the water in it, you have yourself a mobile swimming pool. Go ahead, Dip. That was real good. Oh my gosh, his face is mutilated. You're a disgrace. You're a bald-faced disgrace.
You got blood on your face.
Get out of my pool.